Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful drawing. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. Drawing is a beautiful art from that can the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas, emotions, and without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a blank piece of paper into a whole new world. Drawing is like using colors and lines. You make picture when you draw. You can use pencil, pens or even crayons. It's like making your own word on paper. When you feel stressed, drawing can help you feel better. It's like taking a break for your mind. You can draw anything you like. Maybe you draw happy things like flowers or animals, or maybe you draw what's bothering you, like dark colors or scribbles. As you draw, you can focus on the colors and shapes. It's a way to express yourself without words. You might feel lighter as you put your feelings onto paper. Drawing is fun. There are no rules. It's all about what you like and how you feel. So grab some paper and colors and let your stress melt away with each stroke of your pen. Thank you so much you watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you.